Hello, hi everybody. Today I have two unboxings, and the two unboxings I have is it's called Arteck, and it's a universal backlit Bluetooth keyboard. This is for my tablet, just in case if I want to whip it out and tap stuff on there. It's a little smaller, but I don't really care. I just want to get something small. We're gonna be unboxing this. It's light, slim, portable, 7-color backlight, and universal. So I did see this. It had a lot of good reviews, and I'm going to check this out. The next one is I bought a cooling pad, fully compatible with laptops up to 17 inches. Now, I don't know what the brand of this is. It just says it's a cooling pad, but I will get the name of it later, but we're going to unbox this. So I got the name of it. It's a Havit cooling pad. I had to search it online. So we're going to unbox the cooling pad first, and then we'll unbox the backlit and stuff like that. So we're going to unbox this. I did just recently got a cooling pad, but it broke. So I'm hoping that this one is a lot better because I like cooling pads. I would recommend getting one for your laptop because you want to make sure that you keep your laptop extremely cool so it can perform and work better, because it will heat up more normally. So you want to, and this one is actually a little bit better than my other one because you can put this one in your lap, which I'm gonna like. I can actually put this in my lap. It has really big fat fans, which is really nice. I'm going to plug it up to the computer, and I'm going to see how it looks. And we're going to, see how it looks and stuff. Alright, so I got it hooked up to the computer, so there's a turn on switch for it. It's really nice. I like it. So I'm going to put it on top of the computer, and it has these little clips on it, which will raise it up a little bit. So we're going to see how it looks like with the laptop on it. So here it is. My laptop does stick out just a little bit because I think this is a really big laptop. It's a 17.3. It does stick out a little bit, but I still like it and I still use it. Sorry if my laptop's a little dusty. So, we're gonna look at the temperature. And right now, my temperature on my laptop is about 53 and 43. So it's pretty sustainable, but I like it. I like the laptop. I like the cooling pad. So it's really good. So the next unboxing we're gonna do is oops, sorry about that. So the next unboxing we're going to do is the Arteck keyboard for my tablet, and because I'm going to do these two unboxings together because there's no sense of doing the small one for each of them, just doubling up the video. So I'm tearing this box open. It's really weird because I just placed the order for these at what was it, 12 something this morning, and they came really fast and quick. So here's the keyboard, and it's gonna fit right there. It's not gonna fit the size, but what this is really for is just a little small one for me to type up and type stuff. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna hook it up to the tablet. I mean, we're gonna hook it up to the my Galaxy S8 Ultra, and then oh, and by the way, the review for this tablet is coming up. It'll either be today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna get it all set up, and then we're gonna try it. All right, everybody, I do got it set up, and you can see the keys on here. So if I go into, let's see, if I go into Google search, I'm going to Google search. So I'm gonna go home to Google. So if I type, you can see that it's working, and it is a little bit small, but it's just for portability. It's not to go with the pad. It's just for me to type, and I can change the color of it. You just push this and this, and the whole backlight will change and stuff like that. So it's a pretty neat. I like it. Like I said, it doesn't match. It's not as long to fit the tablet, which I really don't care about it. It's just so I can type with my keyboard, and it's portable for me to fit into my backpack and stuff like that. So this is I could have got it the same length, but it doesn't really matter. It's a Bluetooth keyboard just for my tablet and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this double unboxing. This is something I have not done before, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want any of these items, the link will be in the description on where you can get them or stuff like that. And I will be doing a review on this tablet tomorrow, because I got it Thursday. I did get it Thursday, and tomorrow's Thursday, so the review's coming up. I also got some other videos that will come out. But if you guys love this video, and if you guys love this video, and if you're new to the channel and you love the video and you want more content, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get a howl when I upload a video. Also, comment, like, share, and tell your friends and family to subscribe to my channel. Post my videos on your social media pages, and may the spirit of I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm really sorry. Follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and also go support me on Patreon. If you do support me on Patreon, you get the video a day early before it's post. And also support me on Patreon. Also become a channel member. There are exclusive member videos that only members can see. I do have one member, and his name is Arteck. If you want to see those exclusive videos, you got to become a channel member, guys. I do make member only content. So the lowest one is $2 a month. These are monthly subscriptions. I'm just gonna let you guys know that they are monthly, so just be aware of that. And also, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Remember, everybody, wolves are worth saving, and I will howl you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.